say goodnight by the tree light. Baby, stay here. We're kissing into the new year. Last year I knew you were out there somewhere.
Okay, so before the sun goes down, I just cleaned up the downstairs of our apartment, and I figured it's probably the best time to show you what our downstairs part of our apartment looks like. Upstairs, not done yet. Slowly getting together, was a little difficult, but here's what we got. It starts off with, this is the back entrance where we enter, our personal entrance. We have a bathroom here. I have a little photo wall going on here of everyone who visits. And then that leads to the upstairs. I have to put the Dyson away. We got Penny's little station, this little cross-stitch wall art that we bought from the flea market one year, maybe it was this year, I don't know. So we love that. And then this opens up to our kitchen, living room, and dining room. So here's what our dining rooms look like. I don't know if I am loving this dining table yet. I loved it before, but now I don't know if I want a wood one. But so let me know what you guys think. But this is what we got so far. I have so much trouble styling these shelves. So I don't know if I'm gonna switch it up or anything, but we just have a lot of Christmas decorations and whatnot, some things I need to put away, but for the most part, this is what it's gonna look like. Fun chairs from Edlo Finch. I got these peonies at Trader Joe's yesterday. It's like my favorite centerpiece to put on the table. We have some wall art, poster from my favorite movie. I got it from Etsy. Got this from Etsy. This is a fun one. Our friend drew us from one of our pictures that we took in Paris. So that is a custom piece. And then, yeah, just a couple of other things that we thrifted / printed. This light is from IKEA. So right here, we want to put a vintage piano, like an upright piano, but it's been kind of hard finding like the right one, because if I get one, I want it to be perfect. So we're gonna put an upright piano here. I'm hoping we can use that as like the piano bench. And then over here we have our Christmas tree, got it from King of Christmas. We have Penny's little dog bed and the bones that she does not eat. Here's some of our fun little ornaments and like garlands and whatnot. Here's this little guy. I don't know if I want to put any bulbs on there yet, but there's that. Here's the outside entrance, and we have a patio outside that's not done yet, but that's like our next project. So I really want to work on our patio. We have this fun mirror that everyone loves every time they come over. This mirror is from Etsy. Have our plant, and then over here is our living room. There's Penny. Say hi, puppy. What do you have to say? What's the issue? Are you having an issue right now? What's wrong? Are you okay? Would you like to talk about it? So we got this couch from World Market. I just got it. We love it. And it was like inexpensive compared to like other couches. So far, we are loving this couch. Got this coffee table from Facebook Marketplace. Don't know if I love that either. I don't know if I like the color. So I'm gonna figure that out later. But this is what we got so far. Coffee table. More plants. We have our TV. We got this from Facebook Marketplace, which again, don't know if I like, but this is what we got now. And then into the kitchen. Honorable mentions. This is from Williams Sonoma. We love it. We just keep it here as our cutting board. Anthropologie always has the best dinnerware on sale. So this plate was just like, it's my favorite thing right now. And it's from Anthropologie and it was on sale. I love our place pan. We use that all the time, like for quite literally everything. And then we just have some things over here that we need to organize. I love our espresso machine, and I just got this blender from Black Friday. So that's the downstairs. Still work in progress, but so far I think it's very cute. The battery's flashing, so I've never had this happen, but the battery's flashing. So that means I have to go charge it.
What up? All right, I joined the vlog now. Right, I'm here cooking dinner. We're doing HelloFresh Mushu pork bowls without the HelloFresh ingredients. So we ended up liking it so much that we just bought our own things for it. And we're trying it without HelloFresh's help this time. And so far, I think it's going well. You can hear that sizzle. Pork is nice and brown. Got a little bit crispy, using olive oil, making sure we can get that nice brown crispiness to it. We didn't have sweet soy glaze, so we had to make some. There's a big old thing of orange juice in the fridge from Thanksgiving from Mimosas. So we're gonna have, Mushu pork bowls with a big old glass of orange juice. Big old glass of.
Do you remember on my 13th birthday when Uncle Fester gave me that tablet? You just like.
Good morning, everybody. It is Wednesday morning, and I told Cassie last night I wanted to do a surprise for her for today's plans because I don't really plan anything, and Cassie doesn't like surprises. Therefore, I had to just, spill it what I wanted to do. So we're gonna go watch a movie today because Cassie is a movie girl. We're gonna go watch Strange World in a new theater. We usually go to AMC near us, but there's one in Costa Mesa that's only $9 for a matinee, so we're gonna go check it out. Have some fun today, so.
Does anybody else have a very needy dog and puts on TV while they leave so that they have noise and that they're entertained? Are you gonna watch Bluey while we're gone? Just got back from the gym. All right, it's date day apparently.
Started with the gym, hitting the gym, going to the gym.
This is not normal. Just be literally normal.
I'm normal vlog behavior.
Be for real. I've never seen this man do that in my life. AJ has a little something planned for us. And I don't know why.
Cassie plans everything, so today's my turn.
First time forever. First time for everything. There is not one person in this movie theater. Not one soul.
It's just us two.
It is literally just us. So, there's that. I told you I've been editing all morning. I grabbed some coffee, and it was exactly what I needed to get this editing marathon started, okay? I look like a feral rat. What is going on up there? But you know what? Work needs to be done, okay? But I wanted to show you what I started. I started editing my friend's Iceland wedding film, and you guys, it's making me so happy, and I just wanted to hop on and show you what I've been editing. Sneak peek, check. Anyways, I'm just really proud of what I put together this morning, so. Hey, good morning everybody. It is currently Friday. We woke up, bless you. We went to the gym and we've just been having a slow morning, doing some errands, but it is December 2nd, and we forgot to do something very important yesterday. And that is Advent calendar check. Okay, you gotta open this with me. These are so fun. Okay.
What's inside?
2 little chocolate balls.
Little ones.
I can't get it.
Mmm.
Isn't that good?
Look it, little elf.
So cute.
Bar.
Oh man!
Mmm. Easter candy, not bad.
Bum, 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 bum. I can keep you warm in the winter storm, baby. Santa's gone for the night, but I'll be by your side. Don't say goodnight by the tree light.
Oh, this is not good.
Stay here.
Oh, look at this red. We made it!
This year all my blues and worries melted
Oh,
with
great.
the snow. Now I've got you in my sight.